Let me show you how to set up payments on your Garmin VivoActive 6. So yep, this watch actually has got internal NFC chip, so you can actually pay with this watch in store using Garmin Pay. So if you actually want, for example, launch the wallet, you can simply press this and then go over here, click wallet, and basically you will have it over here. Or also we can press and hold the upper button over here, and in these quick menus click edit, click add, and search for basically this, okay, wallet. So pretty much at the end, okay, basically. And as you can see, basically if I press and hold this button again, I can quickly launch my wallet here. And to set up your wallet, we are actually going to need to go to our phone app, go to your Garmin Connect, basically over here. And in this app, basically on the top over here, select this watch icon over here, and then select your watch, okay, and click Garmin Pay. And next you will simply need to enter your credit card details over here, so click that. And we also need to create a passcode, essentially. So basically every time, basically when you actually try to pay, it will ask you for this code. So enter something secure, such as 1234, obviously. Yep, and next you will simply need to enter your card details. It might take a few seconds. I won't show you my card details obviously on the video, but again, it's very straightforward. After you actually enter your card details, your name, security code over here, you might also be prompted to like connect your bank and confirm that, yep, you are actually the owner of this card and want to basically pair this. So again, but for some cards it might not even ask. And then once you set it up, so next time you want to pay again, so simply we can go in the payments, in the wallet, after that enter our passcode essentially, and we are ready to pay basically with this, yeah, with this watch. Anyway, good luck.